In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Instagram profile picture in Canva. By the end, you'll have a polished, on-brand profile image ready to upload to your account using Canva's built-in templates and a quick image replacement. Start by opening Canva in your browser or the Canva app. From the homepage, click on Templates. This takes you to Canva's template library, which is the fastest way to get a layout that's already sized and styled to look good as a profile image. In the search bar at the top, type Instagram profile. This brings up designs intended for square profile visuals. Instagram displays profile pictures in a circle, so as you explore, keep an eye out for layouts with a strong center focal point and enough breathing room around the edges. That will help avoid cropping off important parts of your face or logo in the circular frame. Take a moment to browse through the template options. Look for a style that fits your brand personality. Clean and minimal for a professional look, bold colors for something eye-catching, or textured backgrounds if you want depth. You can also note which templates are marked as free if you don't have a paid plan. Preview a few to see how the framing and color contrast will help your photo stand out at small sizes. When you found the one you like, click Customize this template. This opens the design in Canva's editor so you can make it your own. You'll see placeholder elements like shapes, backgrounds, and a sample image. You can keep any parts you like and swap out what you don't. Now replace the placeholder image with your own. Click on the Uploads panel, then drag and drop your photo from your computer into Canva. Once it uploads, drag your photo directly onto the existing image in the design. When you see it snap into place, it will automatically replace the current one inside the frame. If you need to fine-tune the positioning, double-click the image to nudge it left or right and make sure your subject is centered. For faces or logos, aim for the eyes or the logo's core element to sit squarely in the middle so it reads well in the circular crop. At this point, you can adjust colors in the background or elements so they complement your photo, ensuring good contrast and readability at small sizes. A subtle tweak to brightness or saturation can also help your picture pop without overdoing it. And that's it. You've used Canva's templates, searched for Instagram profile, browsed for a match, customized the template, and uploaded your own image to replace the placeholder. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Instagram look.